Hello everyone, my name is Islawat Mohan. My roll number is 21CE30016 and this is my third DIY assignment. In this assignment, I am going to disable and assemble the wired mouse. First of all, we will check the mouse is in working condition or not. For this, you can see the cursor moving in the desktop and here you can see the light glowing. Now I will going to disable this mouse and explain the parts and functions and principle of it, etc. To remove this, first of all, we need to disconnect this connection. As you can see here are the two spool buttons. We need to remove this. We want screwdriver, which I don't have. For now, I using scissors to remove this. I successfully removed the screws and now I am opening the upper case of mouse. Here you can see the above side of the mouse. Now I remove this board. This is known as PCB, printed circuit board, in which all parts or components are attached. This is capacitor and this is resistor and this is 5mm LED light and this is the scroll button. This is left click and this is the right click and this is the scroll button. Here is the most important part, which is known as Z encoder. It has a hole inside it through which wheels attached. When we scroll the wheel, it senses the information and passes the information to the PC. So that's about the front part of the mouse. Now let me show the back part of the mouse. Here you can see the chip. This chip is known as IC of the mouse and it is having very important sensor, that is CMO sensor. CMO sensor senses the light caused by the 5mm LED variation in light. Here we have a optical lens. It helps in disperse the light which have produced by the LED. So as you can see the off कर देना. Stop कर देना. So as you can see, the cursor is moving in the desktop. Now I am going to explain the principle of it. Basically what happens when we move around our mouse, this 5mm LED produces light continuously. Now the lens attached here, it spreads the light in all directions and it passes through the CMO sensor. Wherever we move the mouse, there is a variation in light and according it senses and passes the information to the PC. So that's about working principle of our mouse. So now I am going to assemble and putting all parts at their places and then I closing the mouse using uppercase. And inserting the screws and tightening with the help of using scissors. Now this is successfully assembled, and here you can see the cursor is moving. So assembly is successfully completed. Thank you.